Hello and welcome. In this video, we will review another problem which states that a fair die is tossed twice and we are interested in finding the probability of getting a 4, 5 or 6 on the first toss and 1, 2, 3 or 4 on the second toss. Let's first define our sample space. Previously, we have seen that the sample space for a single toss of die consists of numbers from 1 to 6. So there are 6 elements in this sample space. We have also seen that the sample space for the case when a die is rolled twice, which is the case in this example, consists of 36 elements where, for example, the first element shows a pair representing the outcome of first toss and the second toss, which in both cases is 1. Since we already know the die is fair, so the probability of each simple event occurring in the case when a die is rolled once is 1 by 6, whereas the probability for the case when a die is rolled twice is 1 by 36. We are interested in the event that in the first toss we get 4, 5 or 6 and in the second toss we get 1, 2, 3 or 4. We denote this event as B. Now, using the fundamental principle of counting, we can determine the number of ways this event can occur. Since there are 3 ways B1 can occur and 4 ways B2 can occur, then there are 12 different ways both B1 and B2 can occur. We can plug this number into the probability formula, which is h by n, to get the answer, which is 1 by 3. We can also use the definition of the conditional probability to find the same result. For that, we know that the probability of B equals the probability of both B1 and B2, which is equal to the probability of B1 times the probability of B2 given that B1 has occurred. Now, if we roll a die twice, the outcome of the first roll and second roll have no effect on each other. This means that B1 and B2 are independent. And we can write the probability as the product of the probabilities of B1 and B2, which are 3 by 6 and 4 by 6 respectively. And multiplying these, we get the same answer as before, which is 1 by 3. In the next video, we will cover another problem. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.